So how do we set this up in Google Maps? Very simple. I take my first address in the spreadsheet, I copy it, go over to Google Maps and just paste it in the search bar. You see there it is. It pops up a little list. If it's not sure where you are, just tell it, okay, we're going to Burnaby. Boom, I've got my first stop. Now I click on directions. You'll want your very first location, your starting location, to be either your depot or the driver's starting point. I'm just going to add in our office. So your starting point is fixed, and now you have a route automatically created for you. You'll notice Google has given you an estimate of how long it's going to take. From there on, it's a simple matter. You add a destination, go over to your spreadsheet, copy your next address, paste it in, and I am going to skip ahead to the end of this process so you don't have to watch the whole thing. Okay, so I've added all my stops and Google Maps has created me a route that visits all of those stops, and it estimates it'll take 1 hour and 59 minutes. What Google hasn't done is optimized this route for me or tried to make it the shortest possible route. And just by looking at it, you can see it's kind of tangled and messy. At Routific, we call this a spaghetti route. It doesn't make sense and it's needlessly inefficient. This is where your knowledge of your city really comes into play. Just by eyeballing this and my list, I can see, okay, I'm going back and forth here between Burnaby and New Westminster, which makes no sense. So let's take a stop. You can literally drag and drop here to reorder some stops. You'll see just by moving one stop in this list, I'm down to 1 hour and 31 minutes. That's nearly half an hour I've saved of driving and of gas time just by rearranging some of these stops. So carry on doing this until you have a route that looks sensible and cost effective to you.